Today we're getting a windshield repaired in a Volvo. We've got some little chips in the Volvo windshield, and we've got Level 1 Auto Services coming to repair this for us, and we're waiting on her to get here, Miss Morgan Pritchett, and see what she can do with it. I think she'll do a fantastic job. All right, Miss Morgan Pritchett's got here from Level 1 Auto Services. She's going to tell us about what she's going to do here. Go ahead, Morgan.
Hey everybody, my name's Morgan. I'm out of Cornelia. I'm a mobile business, and I come to you for windshield chip repair to keep it from spreading into a crack. So today I'm going to be working on these. There's a couple chips up here, some a lot bigger than like a quarter size. I do it to a $half size. I'm going to be working on these today and just keep them from spreading out. So.
All right, we'll see, get it going on and check it out.
Yeah.
Good. So we got that first chip repaired. We're starting on the second one. Morgan does a fantastic job. Give her a call at Level 1 Auto Services. See her on Facebook. She'll come to your place and fix it. Always on time, always good customer service.
Alright, so yeah, like I said, my name's Morgan Pritchett. I'm out of Cornelia, drive up to 30 miles, work on damage no bigger than a $half, keep those chips from spreading. Our number is 678-971-9629, and we also have Facebook and Instagram as well, so go follow us.
Hey, go see Morgan. She's great. She fixed us up today, and we really appreciate her. Y'all have a good day. Hit that like and hit that subscribe.